In this lesson, we'll learn about Top P. Top P is an important setting used in AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. It controls how many possible word choices the AI is allowed to consider before selecting the next word. Understanding Top P helps you create responses that are either more focused or more creative. Every time the AI generates a response, it doesn't think of just one next word. Instead, it predicts many possible words and gives each one a probability. Some words are much more likely than others. Top P filters these choices and lets the AI select only from the most likely group of words. This helps control how varied the final response will be. Not every possible word has the same chance of being selected. Some words have a very high probability, while others have a much lower probability. The AI ranks these possible words from most likely to least likely. Top P uses these probabilities to decide which words remain available for selection. This is where Top P comes in. Instead of considering every possible word, the AI keeps only the most probable ones. Once the selected words reach the Top P threshold, the remaining words are ignored. This makes the response more focused while still allowing some variation. This method is called Nucleus Sampling. The AI starts with the most probable token and keeps adding the next most likely tokens until their combined probability reaches the Top P value. Only those selected tokens become eligible for the final choice. This helps the AI produce responses that are both natural and relevant. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine the AI predicts 6 possible next words. Blue has a probability of 50%, gray has 25%, and white has 15%. The remaining words have much lower probabilities. These probabilities help Top P decide which words should remain available for the final selection. Now let's set Top P to 0.5. The AI starts with the highest probability token. Since blue already has a probability of 50%, the Top P limit is reached immediately, so only blue can be selected. This produces very focused and highly predictable responses. Because the AI has only one choice, the responses become very consistent. If you ask the same question multiple times, you'll often get nearly identical answers. This is useful for coding, mathematics, and other tasks where accuracy and consistency are more important than creativity. Now, let's increase Top P to 0.8. The AI starts with the highest probability token and keeps adding more tokens until the combined probability reaches the Top P limit. In this example, blue, gray, and white are included. The AI can now choose from any of these 3 options, making the response more natural while still staying reliable. With a Top P of 0.8, the AI has several good choices instead of just one. This creates responses that are more natural and slightly different each time. The answers remain accurate and reliable, but with a little more variety. That's why medium Top P values work well for chatbots, education, and everyday conversations. Finally, let's set Top P to 1.0. Now, the AI can consider every possible token, including the less likely ones. This gives the model the greatest number of choices before selecting the next word. As a result, the responses become more diverse, more creative, and sometimes less predictable. Let's compare the 3 Top P settings. A low Top P gives very focused and predictable responses. A medium Top P provides a good balance between consistency and variety. A high Top P offers the greatest creativity by allowing the AI to choose from many more possible tokens. Let's use a simple example. Suppose you ask the AI to name a coffee shop. With a low Top P, it chooses only the most common names. As Top P increases, the AI considers more possible names, leading to responses that are more unique and creative. Temperature and Top P both affect randomness, but they work differently. Temperature changes how randomly the AI chooses between available tokens. Top P decides which tokens are allowed to be considered in the first place. Think of it this way: temperature changes the decision. Top P changes the available choices.